Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the easy anti-cheat untrusted system file error on your Windows PC. First, repair your Windows system files. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair any corrupted or missing files. Let the scan finish without closing the window, then restart your computer. If the error still appears, verify your game files. If you're using Steam, open your Steam library, right-click the affected game, and select Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check every game file and download fresh copies of any files that are missing or damaged. If the problem continues, repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Open your game's installation folder and go to the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Right-click Easy Anti-Cheat _setup and select Run as Administrator. Choose your game from the list if needed, then click Repair or Reinstall. After the repair is complete, restart your PC and launch the game again. Thanks for watching.